to McDonald's. We'll be using the mobile app today. Deluxe corazón or french fries?
Well, everybody, welcome back to RC Microverse. I'm Santiago, and today we are visiting Area RC. We're going to show you the speed side of the Microverse, and we're going to do a little mini Z racing. But for now, we need to set up our pit table. As you can see, we've got practice going here in the background. Let's take a look around the shop and see what we've got going on. So we got nice pit area over here, all of the MSM gear. Look at all of these mini Z's. Holy cow. Ooh, I think I like that one. I like that blue and white one, or yellow. We got the new Porsches in here. Man, there's just so much stuff. Take a look at those. Aren't those good looking? We got the LMs. Check these things out. Chrome. I like that purple and what is that? Mauve? I don't know. Maroon. But check them out. All of these cool mini Z's. Dang. This place is incredible. Look at all of these cars they got above the offices here. Check it out. So many boxes. We've got RC cars everywhere. And of course, there's the famous MSM set with all of his cars and stuff. And then we've got there's our mini Z track and everything out there. That's just super awesome. All right, so today we splurged a little bit and we bought a couple of new mini Zs. We're gonna try our hand at the LM class. And we're gonna try our hand at the narrow class. See how we do. Brand new cars right out the box. Maybe we'll do good, maybe we won't, but it'll be fun either way. Well, it's been a mad dash to get racing today. We actually picked up a new narrow car. Let me tilt you down here. We picked up a new narrow car, one of those Porsches. And so we've been working on getting transponder and tires put on that. Got to also change the pinion at some point, but it's not going to happen before my heat. And then we also picked up one of the new LMs. Check those colors out. Isn't that pretty cool? Once again, transponder and tires, but we're not going to get to do T-plates or pinions before the heat because we're up next. So RC Microverse in the speed zone. Here we go. It's been quite a busy day of Mini Z racing today. We've got a couple of new cars that we were working on getting that set up. We got tires, transponders, T-plates. Pit table's a mess, but it's just what it is for the day. So we're about to run our finals, and I'll let you know how I do. All right, I've got 3 of my 4 races done for the day. In the driver's class 50% power A main, I started in first, but I finished in third. And stock Mini Z, no Kyosho Mini Z, I started in third and I finished in third, so that's pretty good. In LM, I started in fourth and finished in fourth. I have one more class, which is going to be the narrow A main, and I'll be starting in fourth and I'll probably be finishing in fourth. So, been a fun day. Almost done. Maybe I can get third from Shelby. Maybe. All right, another racing day in the books. Finished in the narrow class, actually in third. Passed one of the guys. I guess while he was racing, he had an itch and knocked his glasses off. So, kind of a win, kind of not really a win, but you know, we'll take it for the books. Time to head home. Say goodbye to Jason. Have a good night.